Why do I say there's an error in this model? Well, it's not such a big deal right now, but if we were to have done this experiment or done this data analysis in July or August or September, it would be a big problem. At the moment, it's not so bad if you're doing it in April when I'm doing it. But I don't know when you're doing it, and it shouldn't really matter. The average temperature shouldn't matter on what day we choose to do it. What's going on is we start January 1st. Say we did this experiment, so we took data all the way through September, for example. Okay, so we'd start low at a low value, and we would end at the hot value in the middle of summer. Right? That's going to skew our data. What we want to do is we want to start and end our data collection on the same day of the year. So if we start our data collection on January 30th, 2001, we want to stop our data collection on January 30th of the current year. Or, looking at it the other way, if we say we got our data on April 10th of 2012, which is when I got my data, we would want to get the starting point to be April 10th of 2001. That way, there's no bias towards a low value or a high value depending on where you start or end. It's balanced. That's a really important but very subtle mistake with this chart. And as I said, with April, it's not been very long since January, but the temperatures have risen, and that's going to affect our data analysis.